रहे हैं.
Okay.
Now, for example, Tarun को जहाँ समझना, and Amarjit will repeat again and again this grammar portion. Like yesterday we have done ale verb. Now today I will say parle verb, right?
Okay.
So team, we have verb parle. Repeat after me. Parle. Parle is my verb to speak.
Speak.
Now, as I explained to you, if the verb is ending from er, right? Now, parle is my verb ending from er, Tarun, you know. So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
formula of er ending verb? E, es,
Yes.
e, ons, ez, and ent. Now, for example, we have parle verb, we have to eliminate er, right? I have to do
Yes.
like that. Parle, because we have to remove er, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
parles, clear?
Yes.
Parle, clear? Because the moment I will remove er, so I left with parl. You know this thing we already have done. Parl,
Yes, sir.
par. Hi, Sandeep ji, how are you?
Fine, sir.
संदीप, हम लोग सारी ग्रामर आज कर रहे हैं. कल आप थे सेशन में संदीप जी 8:30 वाले में?
नहीं सर, नहीं.
अच्छा, वो ना उसका एक वीडियो अपलोड किया है, सारी ग्रामर इन वन टाइम, entire grammar like present, what to say past of parle. One thing you have to understand, like in English you have learned speak, spoke, spoken. You learn this, right? So one thing you understand, if your verb is ending from er, so your past would be e. E के ऊपर एक a sound जाता है, that is ना e वाला a sound, parle. This is your past. Is it clear to you, Taran?
Yes, sir.
You understood? See, because the verb is ending from er. The er ending verb would ending from e के ऊपर a वाला symbol. Clear? But the one thing you have to understand, that's a rule of past we have done yesterday. What is the rule of past? The rule of past is either you have to use our verb. That's a rule of past. Either you will use our, either you will use ether. Present tense. Yes. Team, repeat after me. In order to make past tense, I have to make our, we have to take, in order to make past tense, right? I have to take the help of our and ether verb. Clear?
Okay.
So,
Yes. Yes, sir.
हमने कल किया था ना? So past tense create करने के लिए I have to use either our present tense, either ether present tense. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
what is my our present tense? Je, tu as, il, elle a, nous avons. तरन किया ना हमने our का ये चीज.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vous avez and il, elle, ont. Clear? Team, one thing you have to understand, we have few verbs. You know, in French, we divide the verbs. Some verbs belongs to my our family. Some verbs belongs to my ether family. Clear? We have very few
Yes, sir.
verbs which belongs to ether family verb, but major we have our family verb which belongs to the other verbs. For example, we have a parle, right? Now parle belongs to my our family verb. Repeat after me and pen down, please. Parle belongs to my our family verb. If I will say I spoke, now you came to know what is the formula of past tense in French. I have to use our present tense by default. If I will say I spoke, by default you will use our present tense plus past tense of the verb. The past tense of the verb is what? P-A-R-L-E-Q, E a wala symbol. So je parle is I spoke. Is it clear to you, team? Shiva
Yes, sir.
parle is you spoke. Il a parle is he she spoke. Nous avons parlé is we spoke. अमरजीत, अब कल से पहले से ज्यादा क्लियर हो रहा है अमरजीत आपको? टेल मी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो तरन आपसे भी ऐसे होगा, फर्स्ट डे ज्यादा थोड़ा सा हैवी लगेगा, सेकंड डे और समझ आएगा, क्योंकि हम अभी वर्ब्स कर रहे हैं, राइट?
ठीक है
क्योंकि हमें
यस
थिएटर्स
सर
करनी है, वहां पे हमें हर एक सेंस में बोलना पड़ेगा। क्लियर?
यस
इज इट क्लियर टू
यस
यू?
सर
So this is very tricky. I have shared, I will share, okay, the videos already been uploaded that yesterday session. अगर आप मेरे YouTube पे चैनल पे जाएंगे, it is already been uploaded. First video है वो.
ओके सर
Now we have parlay, clear, past tense. Now team, we have past continuous tense also. In English we have past continuous also, team. Tell me. What is a
Yes.
past continuous tense that we called as l'imparfait parfait in French? Repeat after me. Past continuous tense we called as l'imparfait parfait in French. Repeat after me. What to say past continuous tense in French? L'imparfait parfait.
then parfait
Now, team, what is the formula of l'imparfait parfait? L'imparfait parfait, in order to make l'imparfait parfait, what is the formula of l'imparfait parfait? Team, for example, parler verb. Now, in order to make l'imparfait parfait, I have to use present tense of, I have to use present tense of parler. Now, for example, one thing you have to understand, in order to make l'imparfait parfait, I have to use no present tense of parler. That's a rule. Now, for example, I want to make l'imparfait parfait of parler verb. It means past continuous tense, right? So I have to use new conjugation of present tense, which is nous parlons. Parlons, I have to use first formula. We will make parlons, we will remove ons from the end. And I will insert the ending. What is the ending of l'imparfait parfait? AIS. AIS. Have you done, team?
yes
AIS.
yes
Karan,
sir
is it clear to you?
yes sir
Karan, this is the ending of
AIR.
l'imparfait parfait. The ending of l'imparfait parfait is AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT.
AIENT
It is
yes
just
sir
because you conjugated it from what? Parlons, because you conjugated new present tense. Remove ONS. Clear? And it would be
yes sir
ARL. Is it clear? Je parlais is I was speaking. Is it clear to you, team? Tell me.
yes sir
Then it is
yes
just
sir
parler. Il, elle parlait. He, she was speaking. Clear? Nous parlions. We were speaking. Vous parliez. Is it clear to you? Clear? And il,
yes sir
elle parlait. Is it clear to you, team?
yes
Clear?
sir
Take second, team, please. Now, team, sorry, team. So, team, is it clear to you? All of you,
Yes,
team,
sir.
is it clear? Now, team, if I will do, because we are doing in one, see, we will do a lot of activities. We'll pick one verb, and the basis of one verb will do a lot of activities. Now, if I will say, I will speak, I have done, I speak, we done, I spoke, we did what we did. I was speaking. Now we are doing, I will speak. Team, what is the formula of future in French? The formula of future, Taran, first it can be heavy. I understand, ho sakta hai heavy. But the moment, you know, will do a lot of activities, it will give you a touch. Is it clear? So
Okay, sir.
formula is RAI, RAS, Re, Ra, Ra. This is my future. Re, Ra, Ra, Ron. We have done, right? Last day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ron.
Wrong.
Is it clear to you? Re,
Yes,
Ra,
sir.
Ra, Ron, Re, Ron. Over here we have done parley verb, right? So what is that? Tell me. If I will say, I will speak. So I can say, team, je parlerai.
Je parle.
Clear, Taran and team? All of
Yes,
you,
sir.
is it clear to you? Amarjeet and team. Tu parlera is you will speak. Clear. Il elle parlera, he she will speak. Clear. Nous parlerons, we will speak. Is it clear to you, team? And you know vous parlerez? Can you do that, team? Vous parlerez. So we have done how to speak in present tense. Taran, we did. See, this is we have
Yes, sir.
intensity. Why? Because we have to cover up the theaters. For this season, at least you will get a bit understanding about the verbs. Is it clear to you, Taran?
Yes, sir.
May I rub this? And don't worry, entire session under recording, you have to see the recordings back to back. Now, for example, if I will say, Taran, I will have spoken. Hypothetical situation. Team, one thing you have to understand. Amarjeet, समझ आ रहा है बच्चे थोड़ा थोड़ा पहले से ज्यादा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, we have a parlay. Team, spoken. If I'm saying team, one thing you have to understand over here in French language. Any past Taran and team, any past could be spoke, I will have spoken, I was speaking, sorry, not as I was speaking, in the same, I will have spoken. Now, one thing you have to understand, spoken, if you will get any past activities, spoken is can be my past activities, so you have to convert verb into past tense, which is PARLEQ. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is I will have? Team, one thing you have to understand. Repeat after me. In case of any past, repeat after me. Bolo mein saath aap. In case of any past,
In case of any past,
I have to use either our verb, either eth verb. I have to use either our verb or eth
it
verb.
will work.
Now, over here we have I will have spoken. So, speak, parley verb. Parley belongs to my our family verb that you have to understand. Parley belongs
Yes,
to my our family.
our family.
Over here, what we did, I spoke. Actually, you tell me. We did I spoke, right? So over here you did okay. Parley agu, right? Is it clear to you? Team?
Yes, sir.
But I spoke as I conveyed to you, you have to use by default our present tense. That should by default. Our verb we have to use in past, right? So in order to make past tense, team, either you will use as present tense, either you will use our present tense, provided that verb belongs to your which family. Parley belongs to my our family. So I will first create je. I will use je because I have to convert our je parley. That is I spoke. Clear, team? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now over here we have I will have spoken. So team, spoken is fine, parley, EAQ, but I will have. So in that case also, because that's a past. So in that case, I have to use our will. Is it clear to you, team? Now what is our future? What is the formula of future, team? Re,
Re, ra, ra.
ra. Team, is it clear to you? It is very
Yes,
tricky.
ro, re, ro,
Re, ro.
ro.
Clear? Now over
Yes, sir.
here, team, just for example, you learn I am is I am and I will is I will. You learn na I-W-I-L-L will you learn. Now what is if I
Yes, sir.
what is the future of English? What is the English future? You will say I will. Why I will? It means you somewhere you learn I-W-I-L-L. Same thing you have to understand, team. My our future will be start from AU. That you have to understand. My our future will start from, tell me,
AU. AU.
Karan, is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
Clear. So this
Yes,
is how
sir.
the language works. So if I will say I will have, because our is my I have verb, so I will have is jore, tu aura, you will have, sorry, il el aura, is it clear to your team? Nous aurons,
Yes, sir.
vous aurez, and il elles auront. Is it clear to you? If I will say I will have spoken, so Taran, what I will do? J'aurais, because
You.
obviously any past, I have to use our family. So I will, provided case matters. My sentence is I will have spoken, है तो ये past ना, so I will use avoir future. So j'aurais parlé. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
This kind of sentence in French we call as futur antérieur. This kind of sentence, team, listen to me very carefully. This type of sentence we could call as futur antérieur. Is it clear to you, my team? Futur antérieur is a part of your theater. अमरजीत, ये मेरा एक B2 का पैटर्न है. B2 pattern we are working over here. थोड़ा सा, slightly clear.
Okay.
So team, ये समझ आया आपको? Tell me, team.
Yes, sir.
देखो ट्रिकी है ना, बट ज्यादा इसमें सिर्फ ट्रिक्स हैं. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई विल से तरन दे विल हैव स्पोकन. अब यू केम टू नो स्पोकन पास्ट, पार्ले, ईएग्यू, क्लियर. Now you know it is past. I have to use by default our, but which our? I will have spoken. I will use our future, but I have to understand what my our future. They will have spoken. So il, oron. ये आगे ना il oron. AURONT future, our future, AURONT team. Clear हो रहा है आपको? Il oron pahle. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
अब मैं आपको एक चीज और समझाता हूँ. यहाँ पे बहुत सिंपल है. जैसे एक वर्ब मैं और पिक करता हूँ. क्लियर? वी हैव वर्ब शोंते. मान लो शोंते इज माय वर्ब टू सिंग. क्लियर टीम? और इधर आई कैन से, आई कैन यूज द वर्ब दोने. दोने, शोंते इज टू सिंग एंड दोने इज टू गिव. One verb I will convert, second verb you will convert. Now tell me done present tense. Team, tell me done present tense. ESE ONS EZENT. Team, tell me.
Yes.
तरन, बच्चे क्लियर हो रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
च्यूडॉन ऐसी प्रैक्टिस करना है आपको. और हम हैवी नहीं करेंगे, हम एक दो वर्ब से ज्यादा भी काम करेंगे. ग्रेजुअली विल वर्क ऑन. नु दोनों, वो दोने, il el don. Clear? Now what is the past se composé of done verb? Past tense. So ear would be converted into eagu, bachon.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Hello,
Yes, sir.
babies. So what we can do? Done. Let me write it. Let me rub this. Daksh bache, is it clear to you? Sandeep ji. So
हाँ जी सर.
done is my eagu. Done, eagu. But over here I am using our present tense. Tell me, team. Amarjit, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Taran?
Yes, sir.
तरन, हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे? दोने का ईयर का eagu लगा दोने. Our is je दोने, chiwa दोने, our ilela दोने, nuzavo दोने, wuzave दोने, ilel zon दोने. क्लियर हुआ आपको?
Yes, sir.
Now if I ask to you, what is the lamp parfait of done? Past continuous tense of done. So hum, as we have done, as a rule, we have to convert done with first new conjugation of present tense. Dono. You have to first you have to convert, in order to make past continuous, you have to convert verb with new conjugation present tense. Clear हो रहा है टीम आपको?
Yes, sir.
You have to remove ONS and ending of lamp parfait is what? AIS. Clear? तरन, ये क्लियर हो रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो ये ऐसे आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है with the help of videos. You will pick any verb and you can make the conjugation. If I will say they were giving, so il donne. Is it clear to you? Because we have to see, this is done, dono. When I will remove O and S, I left with D-O-N-N, so il done. If I will say you were giving, वो दोनिए. Is it clear to you, team? टीम समझ आ रहा है आपको? बताओ
Yes, sir.
प्लीज
Yes, sir.
सभी को.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now for example, if I will jump on the future, what is the formula of future, team? Team तरन क्या होगा? First day बच्चे you will feel heavy. Second day you will feel very low. मतलब not to feel heavy, low in terms of low your burden in terms of your grammar. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So अच्छा अमरजीत, you tell me, कल हम ये कर रहे थे and आज आप ये कर रहे हो. Do you feel any
Yes,
difference?
sir.
Any
Yes,
easiness?
yes. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am picking some things. Yesterday I was blank, but today I know
Yes.
I am getting the
Imagine,
things.
Taran and all of you कि फर्स्ट जब हम ये चीज करते हैं तो आपको थोड़ा सा बड़ा समझ तो आता है सारा, बट ये ट्रिक्स हैं. तो इसको ग्रेजुअली हम 7 डेज तक लेके चलते हैं इस पोर्शन को, सो दैट योर ग्रामर वुड बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. बिकॉज आई हैव ऑब्जर्व टीम थिएटर्स के लिए जो हम करेंगे उसमें ग्रामर तो अब जैसे थिएटर आप करोगे मेरे साथ, आप बोलोगे आई विल हैव डन, तो आपको ये, अब मैं जब थिएटर में स्क्रिप्ट लेके आऊंगा तो यू विल कम टू नो. क्लियर टीम? इज इट क्लियर टू यू? और इस पोर्शन से आपका A1 A2 तो बहुत इजी वैसे क्लियर होता है, वेरी इजी. Is it clear to you? Because we are picking B1 pattern, B2 pattern, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means sir, we are directly jumping to V1, V2.
नहीं बच्चे, क्या है कि it is not we are directly, we are doing grammar. Grammar
Okay.
will touch up to B2.
Okay, okay.
It is not we will also do a lot of things, obviously. There are a lot of things which we have to do. But you know, we have a portion of grammar first. Then we'll pick the vocabularies up to A1, A2, B1, B2. Then we'll pick the conversation up to A1, A2, B1, B2. Then we'll pick the listening up to that, how the pattern works. Clear?
Okay.
Sorry. Now, over here, we have je dondre, tu dondra, il elle dondra, nous dondrons, vous dondrez, il elle dondront. ये क्लियर हुआ आपको टीम? रे रा रा, एंडिंग देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, रे रा रा रो रे रो.
Yes, sir.
टीम अब यू टेल मी, आई विल हैव गिवन क्या होगा? गिवन पास्ट आ गया, पास्ट तो दोनों पास्ट इज वर्ड DONNEAQ. क्लियर टीम? क्लियर? What is
Yes.
I will have? What is, because obviously whenever you have past, you have to use our by default, but I will have, it means you will use our future. Team, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So our future is what? Re, future, ra, future, but over here we have to add AU और A. टीम समझ आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. You are right.
Now, re ra ra, because our future starts from AU. Is it clear to you that this only you have to learn this? My our future, because AV, re ra ra ro re ro, you know the formula, right? Re ra ra ro re ro. It is just you have to understand my our future starts from AU. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Karan?
Yes, sir.
चलो एक सेंटेंस मैं आपको देता हूँ बनाने के लिए. If I will do, we will have done. Sorry, we will have given. We are doing अभी दोनों वर्क given. Any volunteer can explain to me? We will have given. Tell me. Given is what?
Joron donne.
No. Nous aurons. Nous, because nous we.
No. Yes.
Nous aurons. Very good. Nous aurons दोने.
दोने.
Is it clear to you? तरन
Yes,
क्लियर
sir.
हुआ आपको?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर. अब जैसे मेरा वर्ब है शोनते. शोनते इज माय वर्ब टू सिंग. अब मैं बोलूं कि we will have sung. We will have sung. तो शोनते ई एग्यू past sung. Your team.
Yes, sir.
So what is we will have? Nu zoro. Shante simple.
Te.
Nu zoro.
No, zero, shante.
Clear.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Team clear हो रहा है आपको? Team, for example, if I will ask you, convert shante verb with lem parfait, past continuous tense, what you will do? You have to convert shante with ons, shonto. Clear बच्चों?
Yes.
नू से कन्वर्ट होगा, ons हटेगा, लैम पार्फे में एंडिंग क्या आएगी? AIS. एंडिंग क्या आएगी? AIS, AIT. टीम समझ आ रहा है? IONS, IEZ and AIEN. Team, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Also,
Is it clear to you, team? Tell me, please.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
If you say I sung simple, past me, I sung, what you will do? Shante is a verb to sing.
Yes.
ER remove, EAG. Team, is it clear to you? But
Yes, sir.
Shante belongs to my our family. अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा team, which we have two families, which verb belongs to our and which verb belongs to H. I will give the list of those verbs. Clear? Don't worry. But Shante is my our family verb, right? So what is I sung? Sorry, our present tense. तो जय शोंते.
Jai shante.
Yeah.
टीम, ये कंसेप्ट समझ आया आपको? टेल मी. एंड
Yes,
डोंट
sir.
वरी, ग्रेजुअली हम चीजों को पिक करेंगे. अब आपको मैं टास्क दे रहा हूँ करने के लिए. टीम, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क है. कुछ वर्ब्स लिखोगे, आप मुझे कन्वर्ट करके भेजोगे. भेज सकते हो टीम? समझ आया तो?
Yes, sir.
सबसे पहले तरन
Yes.
क्या करोगे आप? लो, ये टास्क सबमिट करना ही है. आई विल शेयर 2 रिकॉर्डिंग्स विद यू. एक कल वाला तरन, कल वाला भी सेम ऐसे ही पैटर्न था, बस वर्ब चेंज था हमारा. क्लियर?
ठीक है सर. ठीक है सर.
हमने आले वर्ब यूज किया था. आले जो है वो एच फैमिली वर्ब से कन्वर्ट होता है. क्लियर तरन?
ठीक है. ठीक है सर.
आई विल शेयर 2 रिकॉर्डिंग्स. टीम लुक, क्योंकि अभी आपका पहले सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस है कि मैं आगे आगे कराता रहूं तो आपको समझ आए, ऐसा नहीं. व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दिस रिकॉर्डिंग आल्सो एंड द यस्टरडे रिकॉर्डिंग आल्सो. आप बिल्कुल प्रॉपर वे में इस रिकॉर्डिंग को समझना है दोबारा से. एंड आई विल गिव यू ओनली 4 वर्ब्स और 8 वर्ब्स आई कैन गिव इट टू यू. उन वर्ब्स को आप इन्हीं टेंस में कन्वर्ट करके भेजोगे. कैन यू डू दैट? दिस वुड बी योर प्रोजेक्ट. कर सकते हो आप ये प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट मुझे?
Yes,
कर
sir.
सकते हैं.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई विल गिव द वर्ब्स, वन सेकंड. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई विल गिव यू द लिस्ट ऑफ द वर्ब्स. वन सेकंड. These are the list of the word team. Team, this is the list of the verbs. Now repeat after me. The monde is to request and to ask. Repeat after me. The monde
The
is to
mon.
request and to ask. Repeat after me. Team. बोलो मेरे साथ आप. The monde
Monday
The monde is to
is to
ask.
request and to ask. Throughway is to find.
Throughway.
Throughway is to find.
To way is to
to is
find.
to
Passe
find.
is to pass.
To pass. Passe is to
Reste
pass.
is to rest.
Reste is to
Reste is to rest.
Porte is to carry.
Porte is to carry.
Parley is to speak.
Parle.
Parley is to
चलो पोर्ट
speak.
तक करते हैं, हैवी नहीं करते. क्लियर? Okay. Now repeat after me.
Okay.
The monde,
The
The
monte,
monde,
trouver,
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 passer,
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 rester,
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 porter.
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 ये वर्ब समझ आई? इन वर्ब का मीनिंग क्या है इंग्लिश में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इन वर्ब को प्रेजेंट जो हमने जैसे से हमने किया ना अभी वैसे मुझे बना के भेजोगे, लेकिन कब? सबसे पहले आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर 2 रिकॉर्डिंग्स, एक कल वाला एक आज वाला। आज वाला मैं अभी शेयर करूंगा आपसे अमरजीत, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
इन वर्ब्स को मेरे को बना के भेजो सो दैट आई विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि आपको ये पैटर्न समझ आ गया है इन वर्ब्स का। क्लियर?
ठीक है सर।
तरन,
ठीक है
Yes,
सर। यस सर।
ठीक है सर।
तरन क्या करना है? एंड संदीप जी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि टेस्ट में जब हम एंटर करते हैं तो हमें बोलना होता है किसी भी डायरेक्शन पे। संदीप जी, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, sir. सही
I
है।
Yes,
will
sir.
have, you will have done, you will have gone. अभी हम वो भी करेंगे, I would have वाला भी, I would have gone, you could have, because ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं हमारी लैंग्वेज में, राइट? डोंट यू थिंक सो? लेकिन हम ग्रेजुअली पिक करेंगे और समझ आएगा आपको। अब लग रहा होगा व्हाट इज कुड हैव, इतना मतलब देयर आर टेक्निक्स वी हैव, कुछ टेक्निक से डिलीवर करूंगा जहां पे चीजें आपको समझ आएंगी। फर्स्ट से थोड़ा सा हैवी होगा बट सेकंड में समझ आएगा। इज इट क्लियर टू यू टीम?
यस सर।
सो अभी आपको क्या करना है? इन वर्ब्स का मेरे को प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, लैम्पार्फे, फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर ऑनटेरियर्स, इज इट क्लियर? फ्यूचर ऑनटेरियर आप मुझे बना के भेजोगे। कैन यू डू दैट?
फिर इनका वो भी बनाना है कि ये आवर फैमिली के हैं या
ये
दूसरी
सारे
family?
आवर फैमिली दिए मैंने आपको। क्लियर?
ठीक है सर।
वैसे
our
पास्ट से
family,
रेस्टे
okay.
वी हैव एच आल्सो बट यू कैन यूज इन आवर आल्सो। क्लियर? ये सारे मैंने
Okay.
आवर के दिए आपको अभी। क्लियर?
ठीक है।
आपको
ठीक
आवर से बनाने। कैन यू डू दैट तरन?
सर,
Yes,
we will
sir.
अगर रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा तो रिकॉर्डिंग दे दे के बना सकते हो तरन आप?
हाँ जी सर।
तो बनाओ फिर। योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अ रिकॉर्डिंग, मुझे भेजो आप ये, इट विल हेल्प यू। इज इट क्लियर टू?
अभी सर अभी भेजना है?
अभी नहीं, मतलब मुझे आप प्रैक्टिस करके जब भी आपको सबमिट
हाँ
करना,
हाँ, कल
Clear?
कर देंगे सर। हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
ठीक है तरन, बट इसको देखना एक बार, सेंस
Yes,
को
sir.
जरूर देखना आपने। क्लियर?
हाँ जी सर। हाँ जी
ओके,
सर।
चलो मैं आपसे अभी
Okay.
शेयर कर रहा हूँ बट मुझे भेजो आप ये। क्लियर?
हाँ जी सर।
ठीक है? सेशन थोड़ा सा मैं हैवी नहीं करता हूँ स्टार्टिंग में, ग्रेजुअली हम इसको पिक करेंगे सेशन को। ठीक है?
ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, तो मुझे बना के भेजो। आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर यू। मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करता हूँ। ठीक है? ओके,
ओके सर।